Imagine a tool that more than just converts your YouTube videos into blog posts. It analyzes, interprets, and then optimizes your video content to create an improved version of your blog post that's not just engaging, but high converting. In fewer clicks, you're not just repurposing a single piece of content and putting it on another media, you're improving it with almost nothing but the sound of your voice. In this video, I'm going to show you Agency Intelligence AI's Video Transcripts Analyzer and how you can do all this right now at absolutely no cost but your email address. Check out the link in the description below and you can follow along with me. Now, I'm going to quickly introduce you to why do this inside of Agency Intelligence AI as opposed to something like ChatGPT or Perplexity or Gemini. They have a generalist approach and they don't have any specialized knowledge about conversion optimization or marketing. Agency Intelligence AI incorporates a profound layer of patented marketing methodologies derived from over 25 years of exhaustive research, and it puts all of this within your fingertips. The backbone of this AI is over 10,000 conversion marketing experiments. I've personally been using this marketing methodology to conversion optimize landing pages for over 3 years and have achieved conversion lifts of as high as 8 times for clients, whether it be in enterprise environments or small local businesses. So that just gives you an idea of the results that I've achieved. I'm going to show you how it can, to use an AI cliche, but not lightly, unlock the full, complete potential of a single piece of content. 10x its effectiveness, 50x its effectiveness. So the steps are really simple. ABCs, 1, 2, 3s. Simply go to your YouTube video that you want to repurpose. For example, I'm going to go to this one.
Hey.
I am going to go to the description and click on Show Transcript. Literally select the entire transcript, including the timestamps. This is important. Make sure not to leave the timestamps out because you can derive specific insights from your content based on retention rates and all that sort of stuff based on the timestamps. And then right-click and copy or press Control-C or Command-C. Next, let's select the Video Transcripts Analyzer app from the apps. And then paste your transcript directly into this message box. Nothing else, no prompts. Simply send the message and watch what happens. In mere seconds, you have a summary, a breakdown of the video by segments and timestamps, an FAQ that you can use for a blog post, flashcards for key concepts from the video, and lastly, I'm going to switch to the Copywriter Landing Pages Expert and then simply click on this microphone icon and watch me simply speak to it. Now, please turn this video into a high converting blog post using the segmentation that you just gave me. You can feel free to say to it what you wish in terms of the structure and content of the blog post. Here it is. Creating a landing page that not only draws attention but converts visitors into customers is paramount. Alexander Velichko's recent video reveals a groundbreaking approach to leveraging AI to design landing pages that are both engaging and effective. This isn't just generic fluffy language. This is clear, concise, and conversion optimized. And the really cool thing you can do is you can speak to the copywriter in any way you want. For example, if I wanted to make it more persuasive, let's make this article a little more emotional, a little more persuasive. You can say that, and it will give you such a revision in a second. Now, it's one thing to create the blog post. It's another to analyze it for conversion effectiveness. Not a problem. You can literally do it within the same tool set. Once this is done, I'm going to switch it over to actually, let's stay on Copywriter Landing Pages since it already has this ability. Let's compare these two blog posts in terms of conversion rate effectiveness using the 8 micro yes architecture. Could you explain why you analyze them the way they do? And if you are wondering whether your ChatGPT is giving you the insights that it does, then I bet some information like this is probably important to you to verify where it's getting the information from. So here we're using the 8 micro yes architecture, which is basically the formula behind why people say yes. So we have the headline and subheadline. The first version is clear and informative, offering a straightforward guide to AI landing page design. Its emotional engagement and immediate appeal could be strong to captivate the audience from the outset. Revised posts. The emotional and persuasive undertone of the second version's headline and subheadline significantly boosts its potential to capture attention. Both versions articulate the value proposition leveraging AI. The first post leads more towards the practical and functional aspects. So already by looking at this analysis, I'm deciding, for one, which headline is the most effective, and number 2, which version of the blog post might appeal better to a certain audience, especially if you're targeting different audiences or if you are using different brands. And that's not all. We can explore other ways in which this blog post and YouTube video can be converted and repurposed into other forms of media. Not just using any pooled ignorance or hallucinations or any of the stuff that AI tends to do. Using marketing, 25 years of marketing wisdom and 10,000 experiments. Remember what I said at the beginning. Now let's say I want the marketing professor to help me because it's a teacher and it knows a lot of the stuff about what goes on underneath the hood. Please give my regards to Copywriter Landing Pages for preparing 2 outstanding blog posts. And of course, preparing the conversion rate analysis. What I would like to do now is to take this blog post to the moon. Could you give me ways in which this blog post can be repurposed and strategies I can use to further increase its effectiveness beyond the conversion optimization? Alrighty, we've got social media snippets, email newsletter feature, infographics, video content, podcast episodes, guest posts, webinars, quizzes, Q&A sessions, SEO optimization, pay-per-click advertising. See? In less than 10 minutes, we have a bunch of we not only took the blog post from the YouTube video, but also conversion optimized it and revised it and prepared a conversion analysis of it and got a bunch of different ways in which the same piece of content can be repurposed over and over and over again. You can use the abundance of agents and experts we have here to create the repurposed content. The only limitation is your imagination. Again, if by now you haven't given it a shot yet and you haven't followed along with me, shame on you. It's extremely easy. You can click on the link in the description to sign up and unlock 10 free interactions. I'm going to count how many interactions this took. 1, every interaction is a generation. I send a message to Agency Intelligence AI and I get a message back. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Only 5 interactions, and that's half whatever is available for free. Try it along with me. I promise you that you're going to love the results that you get. Okay, now if you're stuck or you're uncertain, you also have the option to schedule a 20-minute results session with me where I can build out your use case in real time and answer questions about how to make the most of this powerful tool set that we have here in Agency Intelligence AI. Simply click the link below to book the time, and I call it a results session, not just a strategy session or a consultation, because those phrases are overused. Those are lame. If you want more engaging and interesting content like this, like, subscribe, hit the bell to get notified, and if you are interested in more use cases, wondering what this AI can do, please leave your suggestion in the comments, and I'll be sure to consider it for the next video. Thank you so much.